Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Evaluation Tracker workflow in TES. You are watching this video because you have been asked to evaluate coursework brought to your university by a transfer student and indicate what, if any, credit would be appropriate to award in response. The specific function within TES, the Evaluation Tracker, is where you can quickly approve, deny, change the equivalent, reassign, and/or comment on transfer credit. This short video is designed to quickly teach you how to use the tracker and help you respond to evaluation requests more quickly and efficiently. The administrator of your TES account has added you to your institution's TES database. In this process, you were assigned a password. You may want to change your password, as TES assigns passwords with letters and numbers, and your password might be something that is hard to remember. If you wish to change your password, select Manage and User Preferences. Enter a password following the stated rules, re-enter the password and submit. Your password will then be changed. You may elect to change the default login page for your account. Select any of the pages in the list, submit, and that page will become your default login page. You might want to select Track and the My Evaluations page. This page will log you into your evaluation tracker queue. You may receive emails periodically stating that you need to log into TES to review an evaluation task. If the initiator of the request selected to send this email alert, the email will be sent to your email address listed in TES. Select Track and My Evaluations. The list displays any of the course descriptions or equivalencies that have been routed to you for review. In TES, we call these evaluation tasks. Think of this as your inbox. I have logged in as a reviewer to the College Source University account. The list is sorted into alphabetical order by transfer institution. It can be sorted into course, date, or entered by columns by clicking on the heading to that column. The course listed is the transfer course. The date is the date the evaluation task was created and sent to you. The entered by column reflects the initiator or the person that sent it to you. Select any of the evaluation tasks by selecting the arrow next to the transfer institution. This task has been assigned to John Burke. The date and time it was created is listed, and the staff member that sent it to him is listed with their title. Any comments would be displayed. An evaluation log has been started and shows who the task was sent to and the course selected from the home institution. In this example, it was sent to John Burke with Anthropology 120 selected from his home institution. The transfer course is from Colorado State University in Pueblo. The current calendar system and catalog year are displayed. You may view additional institutional information by selecting the institutional profile icon. The main address and phone number are displayed, along with other detailed information. Accreditation information is listed, with regional status listed first, followed by the specialized accreditation. Note in this disclaimer that sometimes all of the specialized accreditation is not listed. You may select the website link or the globe icon to be directed to the institution's website for further research. The key icon will display the transcript key, also known as the transcript legend or backing sheet. If the icon has a gold end on it, as in this example, then the key has been collected from the institution and can be viewed. Here is the key for CSU Pueblo. Let's go back into TES and go back a screen. The course descriptions are listed for the transfer course and the course selected from the home institution. Units or credits are displayed, along with a breakdown of lecture and lab hours. If you need to view other courses from the transfer institution in this department, use the department link. Use the plus sign beside the course number to view any of the course descriptions. Close the link by clicking on the box next to the department name. The version history link can be used to view all course descriptions for this course in the TES database. The latest version is listed first in the list. Close this function by clicking on the box next to version history. Now when you're ready with your decision on this equivalent, select the Select Action drop-down list. This will display many choices you have for this task. Let's start with the Approve action. If you decide this equivalent is appropriate, select Approve, type any optional notes, and then Submit. This will add a line to the evaluation log to show that the course was approved. The task will be removed from your queue and will flow back to the initiator's queue. If you want to deny the equivalent, selecting Deny requires that a note be included to state the reason you are denying. If you select one of the deny reasons, such as subject, a note is optional. The intended use for this action is listed below the note box. If you need more information about the course and need to see a syllabus, course outline, or other information, type the information in the required note field. This will route the task back to the initiator, and that person can see what additional information you need and send it to you. If you are not the person to evaluate this course, or you need to add your approval and then send on to someone else for their review and approval, select the Reassign action. A list of test users will be listed in the drop-down list. Select the person from the list. If you leave the check mark in this box marked Send Email Alert, an email will be sent to the person selected in the Assigned To box to alert them that they need to log into TES to review a task. If you don't want to send this alert, remove the check mark. Type in any optional notes and submit. This task would then flow out of John's queue to William's queue. If you want to change the home course that was selected, select Change Equivalent Course. All equivalencies are created in TES based upon a dataset or catalog year. Select the appropriate dataset and submit. All departments for this dataset are displayed on the right side of the screen. Select the appropriate department, such as Anthropology for this example. Select the desired course and scroll to the bottom of the screen. For my institution, we have added user-added courses to our datasets. This allows us to select those courses for non-direct equivalent courses, elective credit, etc. I'm going to select Anthropology 1++. Click on the Select Course button. Now the replacement course has been selected for this equivalent. The next action needs to be selected, which would be to approve this equivalent. When submitted, this task will flow back to the initiator and be removed from your queue. Now I'll select the task from the University of Wyoming. In this task, no course was selected from the home institution. It has been sent out for the reviewer to select the appropriate course or deny the transfer of the course. You can see on the proposed equivalent line that the course is blank. Use the Select Action drop-down and select Change Equivalent Course. Then follow the steps as we just did earlier by selecting the dataset, the course, and then approve the equivalent. Let's go back to John's queue by using the My Queue breadcrumb at the top of the page. Now let's take a look at one more task. This transfer course has a prerequisite in the course description. Since part of this prerequisite is from another department, biology, to view the course information, select Search and Course Finder. This will direct you out of your queue into the function to search for the prerequisite course. Enter the transfer institution or abbreviation. Select the institution from the list. Here you can enter the course number of the prerequisite course or the course title. I'll enter BIO 206. Select the course by clicking the box next to the course and then the View button. Review the information and then go back to the My Evaluations queue. If your institution stores equivalencies in TES, you can view those equivalencies under Search and Equivalency Finder. All institutions are listed that have equivalencies stored from your institution. Select an institution by clicking on the arrow next to the institution name. All equivalencies will be displayed. You may search for an equivalency by using the course code search. Let's search for math courses from the transfer institution. All course equivalencies with MATH from the transfer institution are then listed. Reset the search anytime by using the Reset button. This will clear out the search field. The effective date allows you to view active equivalencies, those without an end date in the past. Inactive allows you to see only the equivalencies with an end date in the past. Elect to show more equivalencies on a page, and sort the list into different categories, such as the begin date. Under the Support tab are tools to assist you with TES, an FAQ with basic TES questions and answers, and a user's manual which covers all of the functions of TES. This concludes the Evaluation Tracker Reviewer tutorial.